Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO A57s, and today I will show you how we can insert SIM and SD card into this phone. So to get started, you'll need to grab one of these things, a SIM eject tool, which comes provided with the device, though usually it will look more like this one. And once you have it, you can pop out the tray. Now if you can't find it, you could use something like a paper clip and straighten out one of the ends. Should work just as well. Now once you have either one of those, you want to pop out the tray, which is located on the upper left side of the phone, where the pin is holding right now. Push it in, and as you can see, the tray just comes out ever so slightly. Now for you to yank it out. And on the tray you have space for two different SIM cards and one SD card, each spot being dedicated for the said card. You can occupy both of these SIM trays, or one of them if you want to. And it doesn't really matter which one if you plan to just use one. From there, insert it carefully back into your phone, and the cards should start working right away. So let's give it a second. It's looking for reception right now, and it just got it. LTE connected. And let's see if we have anything about SD card. Don't see anything about SD card, so I'm just gonna go into settings. I'm simply looking for storage just so I can show you that SD card is working as well, but they decided to hide storage somewhere. Gosh, I hate this. Why can't you just put storage like every other damn Android device has it in the freaking main settings? And about the device, are you kidding me? So there we go. As you can see, it opts first into showing you the internal storage of the device. So let's scroll down and you will find your SD card, which there it is. So obviously it's detecting it. Now with this being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.